Good evening, boys and girls. Our story tonight is Frozen Worlds, and this is by Caryn Jenner, and it's packed with all kinds of facts. So let's learn something about frozen worlds. The Arctic. The Arctic is a very cold place. Brr. It is at the top of the earth. The Arctic Ocean is full of ice. So the North Pole is the Arctic. Life in the Arctic. These children live in the Arctic. They dress warmly to play in the snow. Polar bears. Polar bears live in the Arctic too. These furry animals like to eat fish and seals. They're good swimmers. Did you know that? On the move. A reindeer pulls a sleigh across the snow. Zoom, here comes a snowmobile. And in the north, they also use sled teams, dogs pulling sleds. The Antarctic. The Antarctic is at the bottom of the earth. It's even colder than the Arctic. See, it's at the bottom. That's where the South Pole is. Icebergs. Big icebergs float in the sea. The icebergs melt, drip, drip. An iceberg is like a giant ice cube floating in the ocean. Penguins. Emperor penguins live in the Antarctic. They swim in the cold sea and look for fish to eat. Emperor penguins are very big. They're like 4 feet tall, which would be like to my waist area, maybe a little bit taller. They are very big, and they're wonderful swimmers. Sea animals. Splash. A whale leaps out of the water. A seal watches from the rocks. You would think, being so cold, nobody'd want to live there, but there's lots of animals that live in the Arctic and Antarctic. Light show. Sometimes the night sky lights up in many colors. What an amazing sight. That is called the aurora borealis. I would love to see that. And then it's got some facts. Antarctic, a cold place at the bottom of the earth. Arctic, a cold place at the top of the earth. Fur, soft hair that covers the skin of some animals. Sleigh, wagon that is pulled by an animal over snow. Snowmobile, a machine that travels over snow and ice. And that is our story. Okay, I hope you enjoyed learning some about the Arctic and the Antarctic. Stay warm, good night, sleep tight, happy dreams. Bye now.